Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and I have a pretty poly mailer here in front of me, and I think you might know what that means. I just realized my nails pretty much match it. That's kind of cool. I didn't plan it that way. It's just a happy accident. Let me know in the comments below who says it's a happy accident. Alrighty, and this package is my Patreon package from Mellissa. Her channel is just Mellissa. It is Mellissa. She is an eBay reseller, and she loves to package her goodies with beautiful tissue paper and these pretty poly mailers. So I do subscribe to her Patreon because I really love getting these packages in the mail. She also has a website where she sells them separately. You can just check it out. It's on her channel. I will link her channel below. So let's go ahead and see what we got this month. The theme is represented on here. It is fruit. So we got some beautiful tissue paper. These tissue papers are all from Jilson Roberts, and they are beautiful. They are very large sheets, and I love them. If you've ever gotten Happy Mail or anything from me, most of the time I wrap them in this type of paper, and I also put them in a pretty poly mailer. Of course, depending on how thick the envelope is and, you know, the limitations of mailing. But there are these super fun pineapples, and these are kind of on a silver background. You can see that. I love that. That is going to be so much fun to use. And then we have these, I guess they're peaches. That is one of my favorite tissue papers that I see her use. I absolutely love it. And then more of these bananas. These bananas are so pretty on this bright pink. I had some and I kind of hoarded it. I didn't want to use it. So now I have more. I'm so happy. If you've received any Happy Mail from me, maybe last month or so, I used some of the bananas. I made myself use it. And I love those pineapples. So happy about the selection of tissue papers this month. And then we have the bigger package that has all the rest of the goodies in it. We have some ribbons and tulle. We have this bright green tulle, which will go great with some of those tissue papers. And then the yellow and the green ribbon, which they're big full spools of ribbon, which is great. And some candy. I'm not going to lie, there were 2 lemon heads. And as soon as I opened the package, I popped one in my mouth. I love lemon heads. They are so good. And a couple of the Lifesavers. And there are some really cute pineapple cardboard cutouts. And I just noticed they have 2 little holes in them. And I think they would be great to put earrings on. And that is awesome because I do make earrings from time to time. I just packaged some and sent a pair of earrings out to someone. I wish I had realized that these were for earrings. I would have used those. And then flipping this over, we have some washi tape. And it looks like there's some orange slices and some fruits on this washi tape. It's very cool, and it's nice wide washi tape. And some cool stickers with watermelon and oranges and the pineapple. That will go great with those papers. And some donuts and candy related stickers. I think these, yeah, they are stickers. I love donuts. I once ate a dozen donuts and rode my bike 36 miles. I won a medal for that. And actually, yeah, I did win a medal. And then one year I did it and ended up winning a glass. So I treasure those things because that's really cool. It's called the Tour de Donut Ride. This is a cucumber face mask, sheet mask. Here's another one of those cool pineapples. And then she always encloses some cards. They're business cards, but they're blank on the back. And this one says, the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. And that is so true. And the back is blank. And what I do when I sell on eBay, I have a sticker that has my information on it, and I put it on the back. Sometimes I sell crafty things on a crafty website, and I have a sticker for that as well. So these are really versatile. I don't sell very much, and that way I don't have, 1,000 of them. I don't need 1,000. Oh, this is fun. These are straws. We have watermelons and pineapples. Mellissa sells a lot of jewelry, and it's great if you take your necklace and feed it through the straw when you package it, because then it doesn't tangle. Straws are also good for making embellishments and crafting, so that is cool. And here we have another pineapple, these loose pineapples. We have some of this really pretty peach poly mailers, and these are 10 by 13, which is a perfect size. I use that most often. And look at these adorable sloths on purple. I love that. That is a great design. I think I'll be hoarding these a little bit. Those are so much fun. I love the colors. And then we have some strawberries. Now, I have used strawberries in February and March a lot because they are in season in March. So I have used a lot of these, and I'm glad to have more because they are so much fun. I love strawberries. I like strawberries and cream. Oh, so good. And these are larger ones, which is great to have. These measure 17 by 14. So that's great. I don't have very many in this larger size. Those are good to have, and that design will go with just about anything. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and go check out Melissa's channel. Let her know that I sent you. She's just a joy to watch. She's so much fun, and I love watching her wrap her packages. I usually put that on while I'm either crafting or when I'm wrapping my packages, and I feel like I have someone here wrapping packages with me, so it's always a lot of fun. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you just click that subscribe button right down there and then click the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.